Today the whole world is devastated by the impact of the global epidemic coronavirus. Many powerful states of the world are now extremely helpless under the influence of this invisible force. Corona's hitting has created a new poor class country to country. The shock of the corona has gone through a multifaceted message. There are many uncertainties in human life. The World Health Organization says that the coronavirus will never eradicate from the world. World Health Organization expert Dr. Michael Ryan warns the Cosmopolitan that the coronavirus may never be eradicated. He said, "I think it is very important for us to realize the reality in this case. I don't think anyone can say where this epidemic ended. In this case, there is no specific date. It will remain a great problem for us for a long time. The whole world is in the grip of a severe economic catastrophe caused by the corona. The effect of the corona, millions of people in every country have become unemployed and are living inhumane lives. In this situation, you should not lose your morale. You can earn money sitting at home if you want. Really, I want to help you to earn some money free from home. So, I have given some trusted websites links for you so that you can earn money from home even in this epidemic situation. These websites are very easy to use and fast paying. Really, if you want to make money free from online, go to the links which are given below description and earn some good dough."